Hi, welcome back. I make video blogs for posting on the internet, so I'm always interested to try new equipment, especially microphones. This is the RimoMic Lite UC wireless microphone. You have a choice of 3 colors, white, pink, or black. Here is the list of features. Here is the transmitter and receiver in this protective tray. Also included are a charging cable, wind muff, carrying case, user manual, and a USB-C to USB-A adapter. The transmitter has this handy clip, volume control, and power mute button. Hold the power mute button for 5 seconds to turn the transmitter on and off. Press the power mute button for mute on and off. The receiver plugs into the USB port on your PC or smartphone. To pair the receiver and transmitter, line up the infrared sensors, then hold the pairing button on the receiver for 5 seconds. The receiver display shows the current channel, signal strength, transmitter battery status, volume level, and a dynamic display of the audio. You can monitor the audio through this headphone jack. This is how the RimoMic shows up in sound settings on my PC. The signal-to-noise ratio looks really good. I'm using my RimoMic Lite UC wireless microphone to record this video right now. This is a solid microphone, and I like the fact that I don't have wires trailing after me. Thank you very much.